Okay, moving right along. I am here to show you a few tips and tricks for card number 4. All right, so now for this one, I used this stamp set, which is from the Slimline Celebration, Fishy Greetings. Okay, it's very cute. I really like it. You are not, however, limited to this stamp set just because it's circles. Okay, I've seen so many other types of stamping done with this thing, you just wouldn't believe it. Anyways, what I do want to show you, I'm not going to stamp all the fish and color them very nice and pretty and everything because I know you know how to do that. First of all, I will tell you what's in your kit. You're going to get your base, card base, and envelope, of course. Then you're going to get a piece of Harbor cardstock. Okay, and it has been cut for you to use the dark side, but if you like the light side better, then go right ahead and use that. Okay, and that's going to go right there like that. And then you'll have this piece of the multicolored polka dot from Pumpkin Spice collection, which is the let's see, papaya and peach, I believe, stripes. Okay, so if you wanted to use that color instead, go right ahead. All right, okay, it's all up to you. Then you've got your circle thin cut, okay, and these are created sized to fit on the Slimline cards perfectly, just like that. Okay, and I use a liquid glue to attach them. Now also in this kit for card number 4, you're going to get a variety of pieces, of cutout pieces. All right, different colors, okay, that match the polka dots on the pumpkin spice paper behind it. Okay, now you will not have the same combination of sizes, shapes, and colors that I have. Every single kit got a different set, okay? So what you're going to do after you get this attached is you're just going to take your pieces and you're going to find where they belong. Okay, so this one is going to go there. You don't need to use all of them and probably shouldn't use all of them. Okay, you'll notice here that I used the shortbread here, nectarine, and then here I used a mink one, a Harbor one, shortbread, nectarine, no, that's Sundance, sorry, and then nectarine. So I didn't put one here or here or here. Okay, so it's entirely up to you which circles you fill in, but they all will fit somewhere on here. Okay, and so here's where the little ones go, just like that. So once you have your big thin cut attached to the back of your card, then you'll want to put just a little dab of liquid glue on the back piece of the shape and then just fit it in there nicely and snugly. Okay, and then just give it a minute to dry, okay, before moving it around. All right, very, very simple. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you about this card is this little hugs and fishes here. Okay, so if you look at the stamp itself, it actually has little hands on either side. Okay, I'm not sure about hands with fishes, but each to his own, right? So I did cut one out with my thin cut to get the right shape and size. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how I created this without using the stamp for the outline. Okay, so first of all, I need to get my sentiment, and it is somewhere here in the pile of mess. Okay, and I think instead of hugs and fishes this time, I am going to say thanks. And I'm going to grab my brand new 1 by 1.5 inch block, just a little plug there. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my newly refreshed intense black ink. And I actually should have stamped this earlier, but I didn't, so just have to make do. Oops, sorry, I don't want to make you dizzy there. I just want to get it a little closer. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this in the middle as close to the middle as I can get. Okay, and I can see that that ink is much better now. Okay, so now I'm going to grab which color here. I want gold brown, and I want I think I want burnt orange. Burnt orange, not burnt orange shades, I want burnt orange blend. Okay, oh, right there, I have it in my hand already. Okay, so I'm going to use these two colors. So this one is the gold brown blend. And this one is the burnt orange blend. Okay, and I just have to pause for a moment. My apologies, the dog is here. Okay, I'm back. I may have to stop again in a minute. Depends how long they're outside, but it's a nice day, so they may be out there for a while. All right, so getting back to this, I use gold brown blend and burnt orange blend. Okay, so I'm going to start with my gold brown, and I'm going to use the darkest color. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go around the outside edge. You can see it's a little bit grooved there. Okay, and this is not something that you're hoping to be completely precise and absolutely accurate. I'm just very loosely following the contour of that edge all the way around the outside. Okay, good. Okay, and now I'm going to grab my burnt orange. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to use the middle color. And I'm just going to follow that same contour, just slightly overlapping it around the inside. Just like that. Okay, so then the last thing that I wanted to show you is I'm going to grab my gold brown blend again. And this time I'm going to use the lightest color. Now, hopefully this won't smudge too much because I haven't let it dry for very long. But just to get that little bit of swash in the back, okay, all I did was just go like this across it. It is smudging, but I just want to show you how I did it. Okay, there's no rhyme or reason to smudging or smooshing or whatever you want to call it. All right, so excuse the bit of a smudge there, but that's all there is to it. Okay, that is it for card number 4. Be on the lookout for card number 5 coming very soon.